I think you are searching about mini sewing machine, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality mini sewing machine? Need free shipping mini sewing machine? Looking for dual speed mini electric sewing machine? Looking for one having lightweight lighting lamp and thread cutter? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best mini electric sewing machine. Number 1, electric mini sewing machine for home, and the feature is stitch formation, chain stitch. Maximum sewing speed 200. Maximum sewing thickness 5 mm. 2 power options: use the battery or 220 by 110 volt power supply. Weight 993 grams. Let's go for number 2. Famirosa mini electric sewing machine, and the feature is stitch formation, lock stitch. Mechanical configuration, flat bed. Maximum sewing speed, dual speed. Feature, double threads and stitch control, lightweight lighting lamp, and thread gutter. Package weight, 0.993 kg. Let's go for number 3. VKTECH mini electric sewing machine, and the feature is material, SPA plus, circuit board. Stitch formation, chain stitch. Maximum sewing speed, 2 gear. Maximum sewing thickness, 4 layers of denim. Weight, 1000 grams.